ask me many questions about different aspects of their life. One of the most important aspect which I have found that they are all worried is, they say they are failing in their life because somebody else is troubling them in their office and in career. So also they are struggling in the family because one of their sibling is more troubling them. What I found in this question is, their failure is more because of others but not because of their problems. I want to clarify this. I have been listening to this point. They take shelter in others. Failures are not because of others. Failures is always because of our own failure of our own performance. We must understand the definition of success. Then we will understand what is failure. Let us say about 6 people are participating in a running race of 100 meters. And all the 6, they start at the same time when the referee says, on your mark, set and go. Go, he says, and everybody listens and everybody starts. Out of 6 people, one is first, another is second, another is third. But there is a 6th also, there is a 5th also, there is a 4th also. Is life you are running only one race? To declare yourself failure? Is that person who became successful, is he running this only first and last race to call himself successful? Or it is very important that you understand that you prepare better for the next race. In life, race will be there. In sports, as the events will keep coming. No one is responsible. If somebody is putting hard work morning, evening and making a particular process for his success, then he deserves to succeed. I will tell you one simple thing. What mistake we do is we try to compete with our colleagues and peers and our friends. In fact, when we are competing with them, our standard also becomes equals to them. It doesn't cross them. In a 100-meter race, you should not compete with a person or in a standard where it takes about 40 seconds to reach 100 meters. Whereas it is 9.10 seconds or something is the world record. So what is the use of competing with a 40-second fellow and you are getting 39 seconds and declaring yourself first? You fix a benchmark for yourself. Ask one of your friends to only take your time and you alone run. Start the watch. Check how much you are improving every month. Don't take watch every day. Plan it. 30 days you practice. And every 30th day you start checking with your last month your average time was about let us say 39 seconds. This month is how much? You will find it has improved to 34 seconds. Next month you can find it has improved to 30 seconds. The parameter to improve can come provided you are prepared to fix your own benchmark. We do mistake by competing with others. Compete with international and world standards. Then locally there is no competitor to you. Your success and failure will only matter because the process is right. I tell you, no one walks into success by accident. It is a preparation. It is a process. If the process is right, you are bound to be successful. So watch my words and do not blame others for your failure. This failure is purely yours. Actually, it has taught you a lesson that you should trust yourself, work little more harder, be more alert, be more disciplined, follow a system. You will definitely be successful. मुश्किल नहीं है इस दुनिया में कुछ भी. तू जरा कोशिश तो कर. ख्वाहिशें पूरी होगी जरूर तेरी, ख्वाहिशें पूरी होगी जरूर तेरी, तू जरा कोशिश तो कर।